Ashley from nerDigital. In this video, we are going to show you how to create an account and connect a Facebook page in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. To do that, please go to our website nerDigital.com. Navigate to Solutions, then click on Chatbot Marketing. On the Chatbot Marketing Solution page, select your desired pricing plan and click on the Get Started button. Alternatively, you can click on any of the Get Started free buttons to sign up with our free plan. Then on this page, click on Sign In with Facebook or Sign Up button. Then click on the Continue button. On this Facebook pop-up, you should connect App on Text to your Facebook page. Please click on the Continue button and then choose the Facebook page you want to connect. In this case, we want to connect nerDigital Chatbot page. Then click the Next button. Make sure that you give permission to App Contacts for everything here. And then, once everything is toggled, yes, click on the Done button. Then click OK. After that, on the Connect Facebook page, please click the Connect button next to the Facebook page you want to connect. There you go. Your Facebook page is now connected to nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure to press the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video.